Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks on this 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. We put a 7 to 9 inch McGaughys basic suspension lift on it on the front with the strut. We also have Cognito upper control arms, some 20 by 10 Moto metal 992 Folsom wheel. It's a new wheel, and some 37 by 1250 R20 Nexen mud terrain tires. The wind is absolutely terrible right now, but the truck is about to get delivered, so we're shooting the video. So with this, if you want more information on the tires and wheels, there will be a matchup video. If you want more information on how we made this fit, there will be a wheel matchup video. We also put some pocket fender flares and some Go Rhino 4-inch stainless steel running boards. With that being said, this McGaughys 7 to 9 inch lift, the biggest tip is to make sure you have a reciprocating saw or an angle grinder to cut the rear cross member, because you will need to cut it in order to drop your differential. Besides that, it's a relatively easy, simple install. If you do go up to an 8 or 9 inch on the front, make sure that you order the add a leaf on the rear so that you can have the leveled look unless you're going for the squatted look. Then don't add the add a leaf for the rear. With that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.